Hi, Professor. My name is Talalog Venancio, and I'm originally from Mexico, from Coyoacan, Estado de Mexico. That's where I was born. But I was really raised in Veracruz throughout my childhood. I was a farmer. I worked in the fields, and I lived in the jungle of Veracruz for 10 years. And that was the best childhood I could have ever lived. And then in 1995, my family decided to bring me to the United States, and we ended up uh, living in Barrio Logan for a few years and moved around Sherman Heights and Stockton um, before going to college. I went to college on a running scholarship, and and I got an accounting degree, which I utilized for about 10 years. But almost at the end of those 10 years, I started coaching cross country and track at Hoover High School, and I'm currently the head cross country coach at Crawford High School. Um, and and I have a little organization called City Heights Runners, with partnership with a nonprofit, on which we try to get kids active here in City Heights and giving them just something else to do so they can get motivated to go to college. I'm currently at Crawford High School teaching pre-calculus. Um, the reason I wanted to become a teacher was because of all the athletes that came through the cross-country program at Hoover, who were very studious, hardworking kids. But when it came down to their actual knowledge and what they were capable of doing at the college level, all of them, once they started graduating, came back and would tell us that school was hard in all areas. And knowing that I have a kind of a math mind and I really want to serve the neighborhood the best way I can, I decided to become a teacher and potentially one day teach and coach at the same school here in the neighborhood. Um, Therefore, that is why I decided to start teaching. I also I'm married and I have three kids, a 5-year old, a 3-year old, and a 1-year old. And I really believe in neighborhood leaders, and I really believe in students going to their neighborhood school. My daughter's she's at Rosa Parks Elementary, and I really another reason I wanted to be a teacher is to provide uh, a good math class in the school I teach, so students will not be bussed out of our neighborhood. I grew up in Barrio Logan, and I was bussed out to PB Middle and Mission Bay for 6 years altogether, and I know how hard that is. But I believe that if the parents of those students who are passing them out are involved in the local schools, that they can make a difference in their neighborhood. Um, and that is kind of like the background of who I am. And I'm excited to learn from you because a lot of the students that I will receive at the schools that I want to teach, Crawford, Hoover, Horace Mann, Clark, Wilson, are students that will need that extra support. Thank you.